Meditation is a practice that has been around for thousands of years and is known for its various mental, emotional, and physical benefits. Here are some facts about meditation. 1. Ancient origins. Meditation has ancient roots, with practices dating back to around 1500 BCE in India. It has been an integral part of spiritual and philosophical traditions, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Taoism. 2. Different forms. There are various forms of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, transcendental meditation, and many more. Each form has its unique techniques and goals. 3. Mindfulness. Mindfulness meditation is one of the most popular and widely practiced forms. It involves focusing your attention on the present moment, observing thoughts and feelings without judgment. 4. Health benefits. Meditation has been linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help lower blood pressure and improve overall well-being. 5. Improved focus. Regular meditation practice can enhance concentration and improve attention span. It's often used to increase productivity and mental clarity. 6. Stress reduction. Meditation is a powerful tool for stress reduction. It helps the body's relaxation response, reducing the production of stress hormones. 7. Enhanced self-awareness. Meditation can lead to greater self-awareness and insight into your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This self-reflection can be transformative. 8. Better sleep. Meditating before bedtime can help with insomnia and promote better sleep quality. 9. Mind-body connection. Meditation emphasizes the connection between the mind and body, promoting overall well-being. It's often used in conjunction with yoga for this purpose. 10. Accessible to all. You don't need special equipment or a specific location to meditate. It can be practiced almost anywhere and by people of all ages. 11. Scientific validation. Meditation's benefits have been extensively studied and documented by scientific research. There's a growing body of evidence supporting its positive effects. 12. Spiritual and secular. While meditation has deep spiritual roots in some traditions, it can also be practiced in a secular, non-religious context. It's adaptable to a wide range of belief systems. 13. Personal journey. Meditation is a personal journey, and experiences can vary widely. What works for one person may not work for another, so it's important to find the right approach for you. 14. Regular practice. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of meditation. Even short, daily sessions can make a significant difference over time. 15. No right or wrong. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. It's a practice of self-discovery, and the experience is highly individual. Whether you're interested in reducing stress, improving focus, or exploring your inner self, meditation is a versatile practice that can benefit many aspects of your life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos and to help our channel grow.